Hey y'all, welcome back. So I have been up and at it this morning. Glare. I have been dusting and rearranging my bookcases, working on my mantle, trying to come up with an idea for the 4th of July summer decor. I'm really trying to keep it simple this year. And I'm really kind of going in a different direction with my summer decor. I don't want it to be so whimsical. I want it to be more like vintage. Does that make sense? I don't know if it does, but anyway, that's what I've been doing. Just wiping down the bookcases, redecorating them. I wiped down all of my kitchen cabinets. I'm fixing to sweep everything. I'm probably gonna mop because I spilt water all over the floor in the living room. I don't know what this hair is, y'all. I had a thing of water that I was using to kind of wipe down the shelves and stuff, and spilt water everywhere. So anyway, probably fixing to sweep and mop, and I've got to make the bed up. Buster just woke up at 11:30. But we had a rough night last night. James didn't sleep well last night. He was having nightmares or whatever. So Buster and I ended up going to the other room at like 1 o'clock because James was kicking and fighting. And I was just quite honestly tired of fighting with him in his sleep. So I gathered Buster up and we went to the other room. So yeah. But that's what's been going on here. Just a little decorating and cleaning and piddling, and have a feeling this is going to be a lot of my life in the next little while because the gas prices are just, the gas prices are just ridiculous, and so I'm not going to be doing a lot of going if it's unnecessary. And on top of all that, the thrift prices have been ridiculous, so probably won't be frequenting the thrift stores as much. And quite honestly, I don't need anything really. I mean, we'll get to do all that when my daughter starts decorating her house. Then I'll go shopping and I won't be spending my money. So anyway, that's what's going on. I think one of my chairs broke to the table. So there's another chair we gotta fix. I'm glad we haven't painted it yet. Y'all, this table and them chairs. I really wish I could find different chairs, but I've got these and James can fix them. So, but yeah, let me show you. Yep, look. The whole side of the table came off here. I mean the chair. So James has got to, this is how it goes. James will have to fix that, which he can do it. But man, I'm telling you, it's ridiculous. Anyway, enough about that. It is what it is. Anyway, let me keep on doing my cleaning. I'm gonna make me something to eat and I'll talk to you in just a little bit. Who came to visit? The babies are getting so big. Don't eat my ferns. Well, looks like we're about to get some rain, which I ain't even worried about. I'm not even sad about it. Definitely could use the rain. That means I don't have to water the plants this evening. Your girl is a wreck. I got everything I wanted to get done today. I got the bookshelves dusted. I got the floors mopped. Kitchen wiped down clean. Took all everything off the countertops, cleaned them. Wiped all the cabinets down. Yeah, so it's been a busy cleaning day today. Y'all, I just had a brainstorm. So I'm thinking I'm going to paint my front bathroom the same color I painted my guest room, the lighter color. I have plenty of paint left over, and I just think it would look so good in there. So I'm really thinking about redoing my bathroom. Just painting it. it's amazing what just paint will do. I mean, I'll leave the same decor and all that, but just paint it. Thinking about it. Of course, I won't tell James until it's done. But I'm really thinking about it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I was in there looking at all the stuff that I have in there, and literally everything pretty much has that color in it. So I think it will look really good in that bathroom. So I really think I'm going to do it. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'll be doing the front bathroom makeover. Yeah. I'm excited about it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the front bathroom. I will talk to y'all later in the next... this is probably going to roll over and be a couple days because it's really not enough for today. But anyway. So, I will talk to y'all in just a little bit. So, Buster's right there. Benson's right there. And Delana's right there. Everybody's lazy today. Got some Andy Griffith on the TV. And yours truly is going to put the sheets on to wash. I'm the only one doing anything around here. Trying to get Delana to help me. She won't. I've come up with a brainstorm. Well, I think I discussed it, told y'all. But I have decided that I'm definitely going to paint the bathroom. James don't know it yet. I figured I'll just let him find out when he goes in there. But I'm trying to get Delana to help me. She won't. So, I don't know when that'll be. It's hard to find good help these days, but anyway. I'm gonna get these clothes washed so I can get the bed made back up. We're gonna go have lunch with James. And it's just a lazy day here. Benson's wore out. Buster's wore out. Delana's wore out.
Mom, come look at him.
Hold on. Benson, are you just so exhausted? Are you so exhausted? Benson! That tail, whatever else. Benson! You're so cute.
Walk up to him and he tries to roll over.
You're so cute. You're so cute. You're just the sweetest baby. Your little paws are so rough. They are. They're rough on the bottom compared to Buster's.
He plays.
Buster plays.
No, he don't.
Yes, he does.
Buster's a brat.
Delana?
He bit Benson.
Well, Benson needs to leave him alone. You don't like me loving on Benson? So we out here waiting on James. Y'all should see the attire that Delana has on. She
Ain't no shame in my game. You want me to show him?
Show her, Layla.
Oh, I'm child locked in.
Oh, I ain't getting out.
Anyway, let's see.
Well, she's got on her sparkly little shoes.
Represent my hubby's bank.
Okay. LSU pants, pajama pants. Sparkly shoes.
And don't forget the bun. It's, messy. Oh, gosh, I don't know if I can get my leg back.
Get your leg.
Oh.
So, Delana, tell everybody how you're making it through the renovations.
That ain't drugs, but I wish maybe a little.
No, we don't pick about drugs. Anyway, are you doing okay with the renovations?
Do you take over-the-counter meds?
I'm
Do
talking
drugs.
You know what I'm talking about. Anyway,
I'm not making it.
You're not making it? But you're seeing progress.
Yes, out, and the sawdust is
We're going to get it cleaned
in
up.
every corner.
Don't worry about it. We'll get it cleaned up. But other than that, how you doing? Oh. Other than that, how you doing?
I mean, I guess I'm fabulous. Other than that.
You could help your mama today.
I am doing what I'm doing in this outfit when I get home. What I was doing before.
Laying on the couch.
And sleeping.
Tomorrow, what we're going to do? Shop?
Yep. And get these Sasquatch eyebrows. I
might not be in the mood to do them
them
tomorrow.
hospital lights don't lie, y'all. Cause I would be at home, getting ready for work and think, okay, I'm okay. Go to the bathroom one time at work and look in that mirror and about want to go home sick because it looks so bad.
Buster, waiting on his daddy. Benson don't know. He's fixing to see Poppy.
Where is he?
It's still a little early.
We gotta wait 10 minutes.
It's early. He'll be out here in a few minutes, and then we'll go get the food. Calm down. You're so cute. You're so cute. Look at the fur babies.
I can't see him.
I can see you.
Can you put the car in park?
Turn your phone this Where's Poppy? Oh, where's Poppy? He'll be right back. Listen, he'll be right back. He'll be right back. Yeah, sweet boy. Donna, why has he got a scab on top of his head? Huh?
Because I'm a horrible mother.
Well, we need to talk about that. Why has he got
Services.
There's Poppy! There's Poppy! Oh my goodness!
It's in.
Okay. Alright. Delana, we gonna eat ours here or we gonna eat it when we get home? So I've left Elena and Benson at home because they didn't want to come, but I got to go to Lowe's. I've got to get some ceiling paint and some, I'm just going to start with ceiling paint. I think I have enough paint for the crown mold, but that ceiling where I was caulking and everything, it needs to be painted. So it needed to be painted when we put the crown mold up. We just never got around to it. So while I'm in the middle of it, I'm just going to do it right. So I'm headed to Lowe's to get some ceiling paint so I can paint the bathroom ceiling. And then I've got everything caulked, got everything spackled, puttied up. There is one area that I need to sand. But other than that, once I get the ceiling painted, I'm going to go ahead and paint the trim, and then I'll be ready to cut in and paint the bathroom, that won't take no time at all. So video will be coming soon of a bathroom makeover with literally just paint. I'm keeping the same decor. I'm keeping everything the way it was. I may change out a shower curtain that I already have. But if that looks good, I may end up buying a shower curtain, which I was planning on buying a shower curtain anyway. So I may be buying that, but I have one I can do for the makeover for now. That'll be fine. But yeah, that's it. So excited. I had no intentions of starting this project today, but I'm telling you, I could not sleep last night really thinking about it, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it while I'm in the mood. So I will talk to you in just a little bit. what I see. A cucumber. And there's another one right there. Y'all, this thing is just crazy how big it's gotten. Our carrots are doing good. Squash. We got tons of tomatoes if they would just turn ripen. Pepper plants just kind of looks pitiful. It needs some water. But we got to do something with those cucumbers. I don't know what we're going to do, but won't be long. We'll have cucumbers. I'm so excited. Out here with Mr. Benson. He just woke up from a nap with his mama. Flowers are looking good. So I've gotten, y'all, have y'all ever started a project and you're like, what was I thinking? Because I was just thinking, let me just paint the bathroom because I had that paint. Well, then that turned into, I needed a caulk. Then that turned into, I noticed how bad the ceilings were. And then that turned into paint the ceiling. Then paint the crown mold. Then paint the baseboards. Then paint the door, the trim around the door. I'm not painting the door. I'm just going to have to scrub it down. But now I've got to get in there and paint the walls. But it is just like snowball effect. This thing just woke up. She was asleep on the couch. She's about to go home. I think they're through at her house today, but she'll be back tomorrow. But I'm excited how everything's looking. The bathroom's looking good, huh? Can you believe the difference in the ceiling?
Look at it.
Oh, you should have looked at it. Oh. Anyway.
You have killed our lily.
No,
Where is it?
It's bloomed and done its thing.
You killed it.
It's still green. It is not dead.
Look at it, it's brown at the ends.
That's where the lilies were that fell off.
You killed it.
I can't with you.
You gotta be thinking of how we're gonna do it in my front yard.
It's not a bird feeder, baby. Go to the other one.
What other one?
The other feeder.
What other feeder? It's stupid, I don't know.
Oh, it's going. Okay, it found it. Oh, little bird. It was going out there to the lantern.
Oh, you shouldn't put up fake stuff.
That lantern is not fake. It'll come on. I just got to get batteries. I know, y'all, this is a crazy place to be ending this video, but I've got my bath water running because I'm fixing to be soaking in a hot tub because your girl is tired. I'm a train wreck. My hair's greasy and dirty because I have been sweating and working my butt off today. I'm so excited about the bathroom. I cannot wait to show y'all what that looks like. It's not finished yet. The painting's done, but then the decorating and putting everything back is not done yet. So that video will be coming up probably first of next week. Have another busy day tomorrow with Donna. We're gonna go do some shopping. She wants to go find some stuff for vacation. So another busy day tomorrow. And yeah, I'm tired. So I just wanted to say thank y'all so much for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.